How to be a people magnet. If you see any good celebrity, what do they have? They have very powerful magnetism around them. You want to be around them. In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 practical tips that are going to help you become people magnet. And the best part is all the tips are super practical and you can instantly apply them. Hi friends, I'm Neha Fatehchandani, your personal excellence coach and communication expert, and on this channel I talk about communication, living your best possible life success mindset. So if you're new to the channel, then subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you do not miss any video. Do watch the video till the end because 5th one is the most powerful one and my favorite too. Number 1, remember names of people. Yes. You know, in the social setting, in the networking event, we meet a lot of people. But do you even remember the lot of people you meet and then you just forget, right? Even I have been a person, I used to forget names like anything. But you know what? When you say anybody their name, they feel important. Okay, let's say I call you, okay, hi, how are you? Hi, Nidhi, how are you? Can you feel the difference? So the moment you say name of a person, all of a sudden you get the attention of people. And there's one very simple technique that you can apply to remember names. Let's say somebody has said their name, let's say it is Neelam, okay? You have spoken to somebody and it's a new person that you have met for the first time, and the person, hi, I'm Neelam. And you said, hi, I am Rahul, let's say. Now, when you are talking to that person, intentionally just have an intention that I want to remember this name and say that name 2 to 3 times in the conversation. Okay Neelam, so how was your weekend? Okay Neelam, so where do you work? Just say 2-3 times, don't oversay it, okay? So when you say their name first time when you meet, after that when you say their name in the conversations, not just you remember their name, but as you say their name, they feel more important. And if they feel more important, you become magnet. Okay, apply this instantly. Number 2, smile. Yes, smile is the shortest distance between two people. Now, have you ever observed small kids, you know, small babies, they are most of the time smiling, and that is what pulls us towards them. Okay, so smile is a very positive emotion. You know, it shows that you're very friendly, you're very approachable. If you see, there are 2 people, okay, one with a smiling face and one with not smiling face. Whom are you going to likely approach? A1, right? Another one, you're going to feel hesitant. Shall I go to this person? I should not go to this person, right? And so what happens is, if you want to be like a magnet, you want to pull people towards you, you must smile. Smile randomly at strangers. Smile to people, you know, you're meeting. Be intentional about your smile. Be friendly. Be approachable. So when you smile, it's a positive aura basically that you emit. It's a positive energy that you emit. And when you do that, people are drawn to you like a magnet. Tip number 3, dress really well. Yes, so the moment anybody sees you for the first time, apart from your face, what else do they see? They see how well you are dressed. The way your hairstyle is, the way your dressing sense is, how it is, what you're wearing, your accessories, right? So invest in good clothes, invest in good accessories, dress really well, dress really smart. You know, dress in colors, dress something that makes you feel good. So what is it that makes you feel good? Do you like to wear more of formals? Do you like to wear more of semi-formals? Try out different pastel colors, try out different accessories like watches, then you know, the jewelry in case of female. And then when you are dressed really well, you will automatically grab the attention of people. And I'll tell you, I observed this in my own training and coaching industry. When I became trainer, you know, I had to work on my dressing sense a lot. And when I started doing my events, so earlier I remember for the events I had a hotel, there I used to do a lot of events. And I used to go in that hotel casually also, right? With my family, I used to wear casual and I used to go, right? That's how we go for dinners. But one day I had an event. I wore amazing formals and skirt and all formal. I had an event to address to hundreds of people. And all of a sudden, as I entered in the same place, all were like, okay ma'am, hello ma'am, hello ma'am, hello ma'am, do you want this, do you want that, okay? The perception of people just changed. Okay, towards me. I was the same person who have been coming in this hotel from so long, but I've not got this level of attention. So what happens is the way you dress shows a lot about you as a person. This is the reason that, you know, celebrities invest so much in their dressing. Why do you think Amitabh wears amazing clothes in KBC? There's a reason, right? So hence, invest in amazing clothes, wear really well, and it is going to change the perception of people around you. Number 4th, now this is super simple, super easy, but it is very rare. Okay, use 2 words in order to be a people magnet, especially when you're dealing with people. Please do this. Okay, the 2 magical words that you have to use a lot in your conversations when you deal with people is, one is please and one is thank you. 2 words. So please is basically you are requesting. Okay, so instead of saying give me a pen, please give me a pen. Okay, wait for me, please wait for me. Thank you for your cooperation. Thank you for amazing presentation that you have made. Thank you for making me feel important. Thank you for supporting me on this journey. Thank you for watching this video, right? So thank you is that you are paying a gratitude, you know, to somebody else, and please is a request. And these 2 things are so important, not just in order to be a people magnet, but I feel even as a human, we should use these 2 words a lot more. So when you are more courteous to people, when you are more grateful towards people, they're drawn to you like a magnet. And right now, I want to tell you, thank you so much for watching this video. I'm sure I'm adding value in your life. And if there's anything that you want me to cover, any specific topic or something, please feel free to comments. Thank you. Number 5. I told you that this tip is most important, right? And this tip is actually, I'm going to tell you, is most important than all of them. Okay, and the tip in order to be people magnet is be real you, be authentic you. Okay, happens, we basically catch vibes of people. Okay, either you feel good vibe or you feel bad vibe. Okay, you might have seen a lot of people, you know, who are doing videos and you feel, this person doesn't feel real. Oh, this is fake. Okay, or the person is trying to copy somebody else. Okay, so the best is be real, be natural, be authentic. And when you will be natural, you will be authentic, you will be real, let me tell you, you will not be perfect. Nobody is perfect, but you can be real. And if you are real, if you're really authentic, and if you're comfortable in showing, yeah, this is who I am, that's how it is, you know what, you will be a people magnet. Rather than wearing masks, comparing yourself, or trying too hard to please people, that's not going to help you. Okay guys, that these tips have really helped you. And if you're somebody who would like to master this skill with me, out of communicating with people, becoming a people magnet, then I do my weekly masterclass. You can be part of that masterclass. You can also be part of my live weekend festival that I do once in a month. So just check all the links in the description below, and thank you so much for watching. I'm going to see you soon.